Hardships are the furnaces where resilience is forged. You may feel like you're breaking, but you're actually being shaped. It's okay to cry. It's okay to pause. It's okay to feel lost. But never let those moments define you. Growth is painful, but so is staying stuck. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to keep trying. The storm you're facing is temporary, but the strength you're gaining is permanent. This pain won't last forever, and neither will this season. But your spirit, that's eternal. So don't give up just because it's hard. Fight because it's worth it. You were never meant to break. You were meant to bend and rise stronger. Keep going. Better days are being built by your struggle. Every scar is a story of survival. Every tear carries a lesson. Every battle proves that you are still standing. When the world seems silent, remember, the quietest moments grow the loudest courage. Breathe, refocus, try again. Let the pain mold your power and the hardship refine your hope.